Building a lead magnet funnel that flows seamlessly into your course is one of the most powerful ways to turn your audience into paying customers. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build that funnel step by step so you can start growing your course business efficiently. First, you need to define what your lead magnet will be. This is a free offer that's valuable enough to grab your audience's attention, something they can't resist, like an ebook, a checklist, or even a webinar. You want this to be highly relevant to the course you're offering, solving a problem your audience is eager to fix. Once you have your lead magnet, set up your landing page. This is where the magic happens. The goal here is to make the lead magnet irresistible, so your landing page needs to have a clear, compelling headline, a brief description of what the lead magnet is, and a simple opt-in form to capture emails. Don't complicate things with too many fields. Name and email are usually enough. Next, set up an automated email sequence. This sequence is what will nurture your leads after they've opted in for your lead magnet. The first email should deliver the lead magnet immediately. Then, over the next few days, send them helpful content that naturally leads them towards your course. This could be insights, case studies, or examples that show them the value of what you're offering in your course. The crucial next step is your sales page. This is where your funnel turns from free value to a paid offer. After your leads have gone through your email sequence, you're going to make the offer. This sales page needs to clearly explain the benefits of your course, how it solves their problems, and why it's the perfect next step after the lead magnet. Include testimonials, a money-back guarantee, and any other trust signals that will make them feel comfortable clicking buy now. At this point, you should be connecting everything into a cohesive system. The software we'll be using makes this super easy. It allows you to build landing pages, set up email sequences, and integrate your payment systems all in one place. And because I've tried all the top software out there for this task, I'm giving you an exclusive free trial of this software, only available through my link in the description below. It's a great way to follow along with the tutorial and get started building your own lead magnet funnel today. Finally, don't forget to test and optimize your funnel. Track how well your landing pages are converting and adjust based on the data. Testing your emails, your offer, and even your lead magnet can make a huge difference in your results. Key takeaway. A well-built lead magnet funnel that leads into your course should have 3 main components: an irresistible lead magnet, a nurturing email sequence, and a high-converting sales page. Once you have those in place, use the software we're recommending to streamline the entire process. Before I go, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below to start building your funnel now. Don't miss out. To quickly recap, define a valuable lead magnet, create a simple opt-in landing page, set up a nurturing email sequence, and craft a compelling sales page that converts. Test everything, then watch your course business grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.